Initially, I did not take it serious, but when I saw the level, then I got to know that it was a disaster. And I think that I would want to use this opportunity to thank the authorities who quickly mobilized to come to our rescue.
It went pretty quick. It went pretty well. As soon as there was some action, the action didn't take too long.
Greg, when you came to South Africa, did you imagine that anything of this nature would happen?
I thought it was one of the most driest continents in the world, so I didn't expect this one.
We saw a video on Twitter of a car floating and we're like, that looks like our car. There was some stuff in it, her handbag, laptop bag, some clothes. Right now we just want to go get warm, and the rest insurance will have to